guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are in, what's the name of the store, Tony? John Lewis in the UK. So we are looking around. So guys, I'm doing a quick walk through. So guys, I'm doing a quick walk through. So guys, they have some nice outfit in here. Dresses, tops, jeans. Let me see, this looks like it's a jeans dress. £125, 125. Let's look around, guys. Nice dresses and jeans. Levi's. £30. I spot something. So guys, I'm looking. If I see anything that I like, I will purchase. No, I don't like that. But everything look colorful in here. And nice. Nice white top.
Give me 10 minutes.
Where you want to chain on it?
Everything look colorful and nice, but when I get close up to it, I don't really like the style, how it looks. So that's the advantage, guys. But it's a nice store, but it's not really my type of thing. See what I'm talking? I don't really like this capey looking top. It looks good, but not for me. So guys, I'm just browsing around to show you all, you know, what's in.
Have you been over the side?
Yes, I did. So guys, Tony is looking with me. We are both looking at clothing. Yes? Yes, let's go upstairs and see what's up there. We're gonna have to use the other side. So guys, look at, wow. Guys, welcome to the UK. Wow, this is beautiful. And Christmas things are out already. Oops. Here's the Christmas trees, guys. So Christmas things are out already, guys. Wow, these are beautiful.
So nice. Gorgeous, aren't they?
Yeah. Wow, I have something like this. £40.
It's not bad. $80 Australian.
My goodness, guys. This is the place to be. That's what I was looking for your friend, Tony. They have the big one here, look. These are the wreaths. I don't even see, it's £35, guys. And those things that you was looking for your friend, remember the thing that you buy in the airport, Tony?
Snow cone.
No, not that. It's over here. So I was showing you them.
Oh,
But this is a bigger
huge
one.
though.
Mm-hmm.
I don't little baby ones.
Yeah. Look at this one. That's nice. £25.
$50 Australian.
And let me see what $18. What is this?
Same thing.
Yes.
Bit hard to see.
And this is a little bird.
About $20.
$10.
No, £10.
£10, yeah. These are so beautiful. This gives me ideas, guys. Guys, and they have a different color. It's lighter. Let's go down this section, guys, and see what's popping. These are nice. Candle holders. Let's see the price. Oh, this is a bird. This is an owl. I don't know what's the price for these. £8. And here we are. Oh my God, look at the displays, guys. Ooh, beautiful. I'm so happy that I stopped in the UK for a second time, guys. We're flying out 9 o'clock tonight, and we are browsing in the shops. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's Tony over there.
Yeah, somewhere.
Oh, yeah. So, guys, we have pots here, yeah? Tony is showing me the juicers here. These are different brand from what's in Australia. That's processor. Oh. Let's look here. Wow, this is nice. This is a good brand. So guys, this is a store with everything. Oh my goodness. From a pin to an anchor. These are Dyson fans. Wow. This reminds me of in Adelaide. Sorry.
Buying everything today.
So guys, Tony is talking to this gentleman.
I just looked at me and I was sure, thank goodness for that. I just driven 600 k's and I didn't really want him as a mascot.
I had a few beers.
As you do.
Yeah. I was driving a big Holden, and
Wow.
I said to one of the guys from my fast car,
So they're talking, guys.
and I thought he said 130. He said 130. So I'm following right. I said,
So everything looks really nice. You have beds, computer desk. Yes, a computer desk. This is reasonable, £60. This reminds me of IKEA. Look at this settings. The table. The lounge. And much more. What did you say, Tony? No, let me show you. Look, this is where we came in.
Yeah, I know that. Like down the elevator.
And just go out back there to the
Down
bus.
escalator
Oh, okay.
is not working. So
Oh,
we've got to use the lift to get down one floor.
oh. So guys, we're gonna have to use a lift to go downstairs. Guys, thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up, share with a friend. We are out from UK. Bye. That's not one.
It's not that one anyway.